Hey, I'm Brian from IFA 2019, and these are the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G and the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G. Let's leave the best for last and start with the Galaxy A90 5G, which is basically a mid-range phone with 5G, so I'm not that convinced that you should buy one because 5G is the only selling point and you really don't need that. Apart from that, it has a 6.7-inch display on the front, which is one of Samsung's Infinity U displays, meaning that it has a notch. The back panel is made from plastic and has this kind of unappealing 4-color geometric shape, and you also have a pretty mid-range camera with 48 megapixels as the main sensor and a 5 megapixel one for depth as well as an 8 megapixel wide angle. The specs fortunately aren't that mid-range though, with the Snapdragon 855 as well as 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. But what is much more exciting is Samsung's new and redesigned Galaxy Fold 5G. It was already rumored that Samsung was going to release the new and improved version of the Galaxy Fold here at IFA, and that's exactly what they did. And it's definitely one of the things I was most excited to check out. The most obvious changes are that there's no lip anymore on the front, so there's nothing that looks like a screen protector anymore that you could want to pull off. Now it's just completely seamless and looks like a normal display. And the hinge also doesn't have any gaps in it anymore, so no dust can get in there. These changes should hopefully lead to this version of the Galaxy Fold being more durable than the last one. What I can say from going hands-on with the device is that it definitely feels A, very premium, and B, also very sturdy. I was quite surprised that a folding device can feel so sturdy. There was no flex whatsoever, and when folding and unfolding it, it felt very solid when snapping into place. Overall, very confidence-inspiring. Apart from these fixes to the design, nothing was really changed. You still have the same 7.3-inch main display and 4.6-inch cover display, 12GB of RAM paired with a Snapdragon 855 and 512GB of storage. It of course supports wireless charging due to the nature of it, no water resistance, doesn't have a headphone jack, you know the drill, and on the back the same camera as on the Galaxy S10. What is new though is that the Galaxy Fold that is sold here in Europe will by default ship with 5G, so there's no non-5G version anymore, which I think kind of makes sense given the price tag of 2,099 euros that has also been increased a bit with the redesign. I'm definitely very excited to test the Galaxy Fold. Let's hope nothing bad happens until it launches on September 18th. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content from IFA 2019. Apart from that, you know which buttons to press, and don't forget to press that follow button on Twitter. I'm Brian, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.